So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. You want to find WLAN autoconfig. We're going to scroll down till we find WLAN autoconfig. You want to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your network adapter has been enabled. So for me, in my case, it's been disabled. So I'm going to right click on it and then click on enable. Make sure that it's been enabled. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And then click on reset now. And then click on yes. It's going to restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.